Good morning, students. I hope you are all well today. I hope you are all staying safe at home, and I hope you are all continuing to work very, very hard. Okay, so in today's video lesson, we will be studying beginning sounds, bl, cl, and fl. We'll practice blending some, a little bit of spelling, and then we can use the new words we've learned today in some sentences. Is everybody ready? Okay then. So today is Monday, the 1st of June 2020. Everybody say that for me at home. Monday, 1st of June 2020. And we will be studying Smart Phonics for beginning sounds, bl, cl, and fl. Okay, are you ready? Let's start then. So firstly we have the bl sound. B-l makes bl. Say bl for me. Good. Next we have the cl sound. K-l makes cl. Good. Finally, we have the fl sound. F-l, fl, fl. Very good. So let's review. Everyone at home say bl, cl, fl. Good job. Because everybody knows black already, I don't think I need to tell you about it. Blade, blimp, and blue are the bl sounds we will study today. Cl sounds we will study. Clam, clap, cliff, and clock. And for the fl sounds, flag, flame, flap, and flute. Okay, so let's start with blade because, as I said, everybody knows black and blue already. So the blade is the edge of a knife and it's used for cutting. So blah, aid, blade, blade. Everyone say blah, aid, blade. Good. Okay. Blimp. A blimp is a balloon, but it's very big. It's filled with air and it can fly. People can sit inside and travel in it. Bl, imp, blimp, blimp. Everyone say bl, imp, blimp. Very good, students. For the cl words we have clam. Clam is seafood inside of a shell that can open. Cl, clam, clam. Everyone say cl, clam. Very good. Next for the cl words we have cl, ap. We can clap our hands when we are happy. So say with me, cl, ap, clap. One more time at home, clap. Very good. Next for the cl sounds we have cl, uck. We use it to see what time it is. Clock. Everyone say clock, clock with me. Good. Very good, students. Now for the fl sounds we have a flag. A flag is from a country to represent it. Yes, just like Cambodia's flag. So we can say fl, ag, flag, flag. Everyone say fl, ag, flag. Good work, students. Next we have a flame. A flame is from the fire and it's very hot, so don't touch it. So it starts with the flut sound and ends in aim. Flame. Flame. Got it? Everyone at home say flame, flut, aim, flame. Very good. Next we have flap. And to flap means to move your wings or arms very fast. Fla-ap, flap. Everyone say flap with me. Flap. Good. The last one we're going to learn today is a flute. A flute is a musical instrument that we can blow into. Okay, so it starts with the flut sound and ends in oot. Fla-oot. Flute. Very good. You say it at home for me. Flute. Good. Now let's review the words we have learned. Black. Blade. Blimp. And blue. Okay, let's spell black together. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Let's spell blade together. B-L-A-D-E. Blade. Now let's spell blimp together. B-L-I-M-P. Blimp. Good. Let's spell blue together. B-L-U-E. Very good, students. Okay, time for some sentences using the words we have learned today. At night, the sky is black. I need a blade to cut the tape. I see a blimp in the sky. My favorite color is blue. Good. Now let's move on to the clut words and review. So we have clam, clap, cliff, and clock. Got it? Okay, clam, I spell C-L-A-M. Now spell clap with me. C-L-A-P. Okay, good. Now students, spell cliff with me. C-L-I-F. F. Good. Now spell clock with me. C-L-O-C-K. Very good. Let's put them into sentences. There is a clam on the sand. She is happy and can clap. Good. I see a dog on the cliff. Very good. The clock is on the wall. Wow. Okay, final review today. We have flag, flame, flap, and flute. Got it? Okay, let's spell flag together. F-L-A-G. Flag. Flame. Let's spell flame together. F-L-A-M-E. Flame. Good. Now let's spell flap together. F-L-A-P. Flap. Very good. Now let's spell flute together. F-L-U-T-E. flute. Good job, students. Now we can put these words into a sentence. The flag is at the top. The flame is too hot. Chickens flap a lot. And I played a tune on the flute. Good job. So students, if you can print out the e-learning homework, that would be great. But if you can't, don't worry about it. You can write down and copy teacher in your notebooks. Okay, are you ready? Let's practice writing together. Okay, does everybody have their notebooks ready or the homework? Good, let's go. So firstly we have blah. Now do we need to use the am sound or the ak sound? That's correct, it's the ak sound. Good. Now let's write black together. B L A C K. Black. Good. Next we have a clut sound. Should we use the imp sound or the uk sound? That's correct. It's a clock, so we need to use the uk sound. Clock. C L O C K. Clock. So next we have another clut sound. Do we need to use the ap or the aid ending sounds? That's correct. Clap. We need to use the ap sound. Clap. Now let's write clap together. C L A P. Clap. Now we have a blup sound again. So will we use the if ending sound or the oo ending sound? That's correct. We need to use the oo. Blue, blue. Now let's write blue together. B L U E. Blue. Now we have a clut sound again. Should we use the am sound or the ak sound? That's correct. The word we are looking for is clam. So we need to use the am sound. Now let's write clam together. C L A M. Clam. Lastly, we have a blut sound again. Do we need to use the imp sound or the ap sound? That's correct. It's the imp sound for blimp. Now let's write blimp together. B L I M P. Blimp. Good job. Okay students, thank you for watching today's video lesson. I hope it has been very helpful. We want you to keep practicing your English at home. Stay safe and keep doing what you've been doing, and we'll see you back here at EISC very soon. Take care and goodbye.